Welcome back to M-Files Process Maps. This session is designed to give you a brief overview on the user interface of process maps. We will take a look at the designer and its navigation, toolbar, and panes. You will become accustomed to the layout of process maps and its features, enabling you to create a simple drawing on the unlimited canvas. Process maps are stored as objects. Like any other object or document in M-Files, they can be managed through the central navigation panes in the M-Files desktop client. The most typical way to access existing process maps in M-Files is using simple or advanced searches or predefined views. When you click on a map object, the Preview tab for the map will appear. Use the Create menu on the top or left pane to create a new process map. Then specify what sort of map you would like. You can also use a template here to create a predefined map. Fill out the metadata card and you are ready to start, as the process map object is created and waiting for further editing. Double-click the object to check it out and launch the designer. Now you can create your drawing. Then save the map. When you then select your process map object in the M-Files client, the map preview will be displayed. You can navigate the canvas using the right mouse button and zoom in and out. The edit pen symbol allows you to launch the designer again, so you can continue editing your work. The map preview gives users read-only access to existing process maps in M-Files. Users with read-only permissions will not be provided with the edit pen. With the map preview you can view, navigate, consume content, and invoke process map commands. In the preview toolbar there are options to refresh the page, hide or show command icons, navigate between objects, change the zoom of the map, open the designer, or print the current view. When you click an element in the map or you select multiple elements with a rubber band drag, there are orange indicators to highlight symbols or shapes. This makes it easier to discuss a process, for example in an interactive web session, or when you explain a process to a colleague. The gray icons on the right of a shape or symbol indicate the ability to execute commands. Let us look at the designer in more detail. The user interface of the designer contains several areas. The toolbar on the top contains standard drawing shapes and attribute options, for example lines, fills, colors, text size, shadows, etc. The menu on the left pane is used for searching, browsing, and selecting M-Files objects, views, or documents which you want to bring into your drawing. The canvas is the central design area that holds the various drawing elements. The Canvas Navigator on the lower left side controls the display of the canvas and allows for interactive zoom. The Zoom control on the lower right side contains different zoom controls. The Libraries tab in the right side pane is for browsing and selecting various map shapes, symbols, and smart nodes. Open the Properties menu by clicking the tab on the top. It contains options for assigning properties such as commands and values to elements, to add interactivity to your maps. However, we will take a closer look at these options in later sections of this video series. Process Maps works with an unlimited sized canvas, so if something is dropped outside the initially provided canvas, then it extends automatically. You can change the view in the Zoom Navigator to review the total number of pages. The canvas reverts to its original size when you delete or move objects. While you hold the Control key, the mouse wheel can be used to zoom in and out. Move the canvas by dragging your cursor while holding the right mouse button. You can activate a grid in the toolbar to help align symbols and shapes. Red guidelines help you with alignment, as does the context menu when you press the right mouse button. You can cut, copy, and paste elements by using shortcuts on your keyboard. You can also hold the Control key and drag and drop to create a copy of an element. Double-clicking allows you to edit text within an element, and an in-place text editor pops up. Sometimes it is also useful to undo or redo actions by using the keyboard command Ctrl+Z or the corresponding undo icon in the toolbar. This concludes the brief overview of the UI elements. We will investigate more details in other sections of this video series.